So in this video, we're computing the sum and average of 6 integers. To demonstrate this program, I'm going to create a program that computes the average and sum of students' grade. So first, we declare a variable named science, and we're going to ask for users' input using this casting. So as you can see, I put a float before input. So in that way, we can also calculate numbers with decimal points, because the input function always read data as a string, that's text, and since we need to perform mathematical operations, we must convert or cast the input into a number. That's why we use casting with float. It changes the input from text into a decimal numbers, allowing us to compute numbers, whole numbers, and with decimal points. As you can see, I'm adjusting the code so it looks neat and nice when we print it out, and it shows the results later on. Then again, I declare another variable that asks for users input. Then last variable that asks for users input, float siya lahat. Now we're going to get the total of 6 float, or it's integer but we use float so we can also calculate decimal points again. So here we plus all the subjects because we're going to get the sum. Then we print the average equal total divided by 6. Finally, we print both the total and the average. So print display the word total of all subject is, then comma, total. So you can see our program works. Then let's input numbers. So nakuha na natin yung total of all subject. Now, kukunin naman natin yung average niya. Print your general average is, then comma. So first I use the round function. Yung round function is, gagawin nito is ipapakita ng decimal precision. Kumbaga, instead na marami i-show niya, dalawang decimal points lang ang ipapakita niya. So as you can see, there's an error. Print your general average is, rerun. So enter first grade 93, second 93rd 93, fourth 92, fifth 90, 97. As you can see, naprint na natin yung total and nakuha na natin yung average ng 6 integers or float. So that's for this video.